Migrating an Umbraco Cloud project from 7 to 8 is not as simple as just clicking a button. It does require a bit more work than that. My name is Sophie, and in this short video I'll give you a list of what you need in order to be well prepared for the migration. First of all, you will need 2 Umbraco Cloud projects. The first one will of course be the cloud project that you want to migrate to Umbraco 8. A few notes on this project: it needs to be running the latest version of Umbraco 7. Currently this is Umbraco 7.15. So that means if your project is running an earlier version right now, you will need to start by upgrading. I've put a link in the description here to a video where you can learn how to upgrade your cloud project. Also, make sure your cloud project runs without any errors and that the deployment workflows run smoothly. The second project you will need is a new cloud project running Umbraco 8.1. This project needs to be a clean slate, so make sure nothing has been built or implemented. And then I strongly recommend setting up a development environment as well. We'll be using this to test before we deploy it to the live side. Finally, we'll need to run the cloud projects on our local machine for this guide, so make sure you have the tools required for that. In the description here you will find links to the setup we recommend working with. And that's it, we're ready to get the show on the road. Next up, the content migration. See you there.